My name is Rachel, and I graduated in 2021 from the ACE Online program in Regulatory Affairs. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in biomedical engineering, and then I went to the UK to pursue my master's in the same program with specialization in medical imaging. And then we decided to come to Canada and call it home. And since then, I had been a proud mom and a proud homemaker. I studied the Regulatory Affairs program from AC Online, and I did a full-time program with them. I was fortunate enough to be employed right after the program, and now I work as a clinical project analyst for a very reputed company. AC Online was a very natural choice for me because I had a family to take care. I have two kids aged 4 and 7 who get me quite busy, and I'm a very hands-on mom too. Going to campus was not an option for me because I have two small kids. I have a routine with them. I have to pick them up from school. I have to pick them up from daycare. AC Online just seemed to give me the balance that I needed to have with my family and pursue the career that I wanted to. The program itself had a lot of real world scenario situations. So we did go through a lot of guidance documents that would help us prepare these regulatory submissions for a medical device or a drug. AC Online has been a very big part of my life as of today. It has given me a lot of confidence. That is number one. At the stage in life that I'm right now, with a family and running a household where I cook, do laundry, buy the groceries, do everything, and also being able to study and really do well, I think it was validation for the hard work that I put into it, and I'm very proud of that.